How to transfer contact from Android to iPhone. First, open your browser and go to Google Contact. Sign in with your same Google account you use on your Android phone. Next, click on the export icon. Choose vCard for Android or iOS format, which work for iPhone, and download the file. You will see a file saved on your computer or phone. Now, open your browser again and go to iCloud.com. Sign in with your iCloud account. Once you are in iCloud, open the contact application. Click on the plus icon and choose import contact. Select the vCard file you downloaded and upload it. It may take a few moments to finish uploading. Once done, all your contact will now be in your iCloud. If you still cannot see your contact on your iPhone, go to Setting, iCloud, and make sure contact is turned on. And that's it. Your Android contact are now on your iPhone.